Hi everyone. Saw a pony up here at the door. So, sorry buddy. Mum's opening the door for you. Okay? I've kind of just been sitting here chilling out a little bit. Done a few bits and pieces today that my body has allowed me to do today. So I'm not really feeling it. But how I fix that and what I do is have some snake time. And I know for many of you it may not be a snake. Where are you, dude? Are you coming? Do you want to come out with Mum? Hey? Do you want to come out and say hello? Hey? This way. This way, darling. Want to come out this way? Do you want to come and say, let's get back here so we can see you? What do you think? Hey? Do you want to come on out? As I was saying, for many of you, may not be a snake. It could be a cat, could be a dog when you're feeling a little bit, not really great or not having the best day. But for me, I am fortunate enough to not just have snakes, but I do have my cats, my dogs, my birds, of course, here now. But I certainly make the most of those days where getting a snake out is relaxation. And it just makes me tune out and think about them, and even though a pony is sort of taking his little time to decide what he's going to do. Do you want to climb up on the camera? Will that make it a little bit easier? And then I can use my actual hand to help you out with the rest of your body. What do you think? Or are you just going to sit there and look at me? Hey, and climb up on my shoulder, maybe? Would you like to do that? Oh, it's so awkward, guys, with one hand. And I don't know what he wants to do. He kind of wants to climb on the camera, but... Oh, come on. Are you going to do anything? Okay. I'll move my hair out of the way, and then you can climb over. What do you think? Climb over onto Mum. Can you get that booty moving? Okay. Because it'll be a little bit hard, as you can see, for me to get the rest of him out. Okay, I'll just let him go. But why I bring this up is it was mentioned today. Yes, somebody has just received a young snake that is, I can't remember what he said, about 16 months old. So it's not exactly a baby, and neither is a pony. Okay, come on, dude. I'm not your... Yeah, I am. Hold the camera just so he can rest his little head on it and make up his mind whether he's going to come out or not. But just mentioned how thrilled he was and how excited he was for his new little one to arrive, which is a Bredley. And as you know, I have Tessa. And basically offered this little one a meal last night. And me knowing Bredleys, I don't very often know them to ever knock back a meal. And even though he only just picked him up, he took this, actually offered him a chick, and he of course took that chick quite happily. But he was saying just how much he'd forgotten and how much fun it is to get a baby or a young snake and just watch them, and that trepidation of that putting that feeder in and going towards it, but then sort of going back over to it again, and then finally going boom, and taking it, and just remembering just how much fun that is with the young ones. And I totally agree, and that's pretty much how it should always be. It should always be fun and enjoyment, and something that you really do love experiencing with them. And that's what I do, is experience lots of joy and lots of fun. Don't we, Apani? Even if it does take you a little while to come on out. Man. Oh man. Okay, you can let go of me. Okay, so now that I've got Apani out, I'll finish the video with him. He wanted to come out, but he also needs me to kind of give him a little bit of a helping hand at the same time. So I just put the camera down and helped him come out a little bit more. I guess really, what my video is about is, it is very exciting, and to get your snake arrives, and you're just so, sorry you can't see, but he's making his way there. You're just so excited, and it's also new, and you're just learning and watching them and getting to know them, and them of course getting to know you. And I remember those feelings. I don't forget them. It is that way when we get them on our door, and we get them out, and we look at them and put them in their little homes, and we're watching them because we're just thrilled to bits to have them. So here she is, if you can see her. She's kind of got a little a little head coming up over here, but hang on, I'll go out of zoom. There she is. So I'm going to put her back in because she's not really secure on my hand right now. So I'll let her go in. Not that you can see her, but she's going in. She knows where her little home is. She's quite comfortable in there, doing really well, growing, She is. I'm really happy with her. I'm thrilled to bits to have them every day, and I never ever want to ever feel that I'm not. And I'm sure that for many it may not, for whatever circumstances, life just gets on top of you and all the rest of it. But when life gets on top of me, they are the first that I turn to. And lately I've had a lot of tough days with pain and been struggling. Even holding the camera hurts my hand. So but these guys, Lily wants out every day, others want out every day. Not as much as Lily, but they still want their turn. And Apani is no different. Every night is his routine to be at his door and wanting to come out. Some nights he's there and I open the door and he's kind of like, well, yeah, I do want to come out, but I don't. And I do have a video that I will put up with a pani being like this, but for right now he's just happy to chill with me there, aren't you? Because you're not eating, just not interested at all in eating. And it's been a while, guys, since a pani has had a meal. So, you know, he's healthy, he's active, you know, there's nothing going on with him at all. He's just not eating, and he kind of stopped eating before he disappeared on me for those several days, and of course hasn't shed since, but then he's had nothing in his belly either. So guys, keep being excited about your snakes. Enjoy them. So you take care of yourself and your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao. Whoop. Mum's pants are a little bit slippery.